Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Now, I want to tell you something. Long before there was the egg McWhatever sandwich, you know, that breakfast sandwich that we're all familiar with, there was this thing, the fried egg sandwich. So, I'm going to show you today how to make that good old fried egg sandwich. If you're an older person, a mature person like myself, you probably have eaten a fried egg sandwich. And if you have never eaten one, well, you just should. So, let's get busy and we're going to make a fried egg sandwich. It's not very hard. Well, actually, it's not hard at all. I got my skillet here, and I have my egg, and I'm going to put some grease in my skillet. Now, I'm going to do this like Mom would have done it. She would have put some, made her fried egg sandwich in the bacon grease. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fry my egg in the bacon grease. So, got a little bacon grease here. I'm going to put some in there. Now, I'm going to let this get nice and hot. And since you don't want to see paint dry, we will come back when it's nice and hot, which actually does not take that long. So, go get your pan and get your egg ready. And while my pan is heating up, you heat your pan up too. And then we'll be back. We'll make our egg sandwich together. Alright, my grease is nice and hot. I'm just going to break my egg up in there. I'm going to turn it down a little bit because I don't want to splash myself with grease. Got my little spatula here. And all we're going to do is we're just going to fry the egg. And here's the thing about a fried egg sandwich. Break the yolk. Now, if you like your egg a little bit runny, you don't have to break the yolk. But traditionally, we break the yolk. So I'm going to add a little pepper. I'm going to add a little salt because salt makes food taste good. And I'm going to fry this egg. And like I said, my mom would have fried the egg sandwich in bacon grease. So, the egg sandwich has been around for a long time. I think I read in the 19th century they called it a bap sandwich. I think is what they called it. They would put the egg on a roll and sometimes they would put meat on it. And if they didn't have meat, they would just brush sausage grease on there. It became popular as the McWhatever breakfast sandwich in the 1970s, I think in 1971. And that's when it really took off. I read where White Castle began making it during World War II, excuse me, and a little bit later than that, but it never took off during that age. I guess they were trying to conserve on meat. So, I'm flipping it over. One thing about a fried egg sandwich, it doesn't have to be pretty. So, that's good. Now, I've got 2 slices of toast here. You can see my toast. And I'm going to take the toast and I'm going to brush some mayonnaise on it. That's our traditional way of eating a fried egg sandwich, is with mayonnaise. And I like to take my mayonnaise, I like to put it on both slices of bread. Now then, back in the day when I was a young thing, if tomatoes were in season, we'd have a fried egg sandwich for lunch with tomatoes and lettuce on there. Once in a blue moon, we'd get to have cheese. Keep in mind, that was long before the McWhatever sandwich rolled in. So, I've got my mayonnaise on there, and check my egg, because I think my egg's done. There it is, nice and hard. And I'm just going to put my egg on my toast, and I'm going to put my other slice of bread on there, move my pan off the heat, And now I'm going to cut it because I like to eat mine cut. And you can cut yours any way you want to. For my breakfast sandwich, I like to cut it like this. Most other sandwiches I cut diagonally, but not my breakfast sandwich. I like it cut like that. And there it is, a fried egg sandwich that has been around for a very, very long time. Now, if you got some bacon or sausage or whatever you want to put it on there, some cheese, go right ahead. If you want to go through the McWhatever drive-through, be my guest. But you probably have all the ingredients for this at home. So, I'm going to have a bite. Oh! Oh, it's pretty delicious. All right. That's it. Make a fried egg sandwich. It's good. It's delicious. It's easy. It's cheap. It's simple. What more could you want? Okay? I love you. If I can do it, you can do it. And you just remember that little is much when God is in it. Okie doke. Bye. See you later.